Alright, welcome to Bob's 101st. This is our first one, and tonight we are camping in the backyard. Alright, so the first thing about camping in the backyard is you need a tent. Thank you to Aunt Kathy for supplying us with this tent, and we're going to try to put it up right now. I've never put a tent together, so let's give it a try. Definitely a daddy thing right here. Got our tent up. Little help from Daniel. I guess we have to tie this together here so it doesn't come apart. But we got our tent up. So next, we need bedding. So what are we going to do tonight, Daniel? We're sleeping in there? That's right. Let's see, huh?
Hey!
Show everybody that light that we got. And we're going to have it for tonight. Oh, we're going to put it right there?
Uh-huh.
That's a good place to put it. We're going to hang it up there. So when we need a light tonight, we can just put it on. Ooh, that's all right. It can stay there. And what are we doing tonight? What are we going to do?
Catch fireflies.
Catch fireflies. Daniel's got his little firefly catching cup already.
Exposed crest.
With his name on it and everything too, that he wrote on there. And we have some
Pretty
dinosaurs
cool.
in our tent ready to go tonight.
And they're ready to battle.
They're ready to battle. Okay, so we're inside the tent. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
I'm looking at the magazine.
You gonna read the magazine? Say, camping outside.
Camping outside! Kaboom! Yeah!
Kaboom.
Kaboom! Yeah! Kaboom!
Catch him, catch him, catch him.
Look, he's near. Get him!
I see him. I got him. Right in my hand. There he is.
Where's the ball?
Crawling around my hand. There
I think
he is.
he's on that leaf right there. Come over here, Daniel.
I got one.
You got one? Let's see.
You do.
Oh, oh, there he goes. Oh, you got him again? Okay, good job.
Oh, I killed him.
Oh, you didn't kill him. We got the fire going. Like that. Thank you. I see a tent. And I see a little boy in a tent. No, don't do that.
Look if I got the nook.
I see the nook.
Hey,
We have our nook in the tent tonight. All the modern conveniences of camping.
Daddy, he's back again.
What?
He's back taking pictures.
All right. So we made it through to the morning. We camped out in our little tent. It was probably the most uncomfortable night that I've ever had in my life, just to let you guys know. You'd be surprised how many noises and how many lights go on between the neighbor's house and the dog walking by and setting off this or something like that. So I finally sent Bug in the middle of the night. But it was a good night. We woke up about 5:30 and Daniel went in and went back to sleep with Mommy. And I went and watched TV for Father's Day. I had the TV to all to myself on Father's Day morning until they woke up. and all in all, it was fun. So we'll see you on number 2.